By the end of this video, you're going to know the best hashtags to use on YouTube, the best tags to use on YouTube, how you should be writing your descriptions, and one other thing that's going to make a huge difference to how many views you're actually getting on YouTube right now, because if you're messing up any of these things, it could be the reason the YouTube algorithm doesn't think there's an audience for your content, and then boom, you end up getting no views. In fact, this creator right here was struggling with that, but now they've been able to gain over 160,000 subscribers simply by implementing the 3 hashtag strategies I'm going to share with you in this video. By the way, the last one is by far the most important. Hashtag strategy number 1 that you need to make sure that you're implementing are going to be 4 related hashtags. Now, here's the deal. When you go to actually add a hashtag on YouTube, it is going to show you how popular that hashtag is. And you need to make sure that you are using the most popular hashtags, and that's for 2 reasons. 1, it gives the YouTube algorithm more data to pull from and say, hey, there's a lot of people that actually interact with this content. For example, if you are creating a piece of fitness content and you use hashtag fitness, guess what? What YouTube is going to do is going to look at all the people that recently watched videos under hashtag fitness and then potentially show them your piece of content so long as your post does well in the beginning on YouTube. And that's why you need to be going after the largest hashtags, because they're going to have the largest audience that YouTube could potentially show your content to. In addition to that, a lot of people do searches for things via hashtags, and then guess what ends up happening? Your content's going to show so long as you can rank for one of those hashtags. But that's not the only hashtag strategy you need to be using. In fact, there are 2 more. But first, I want to talk to you about trending sounds, because they become really important on YouTube. And if you're not implementing them right now, it could be a huge mistake. Now, to prove this to you, what I wanted to do was randomly pull up the Shorts tab and show you that there are a bunch of YouTube Shorts now that have a trending sound. In fact, this actually hasn't been out for that long. So if I come under Shorts right here, we're going to begin to see trending sounds. It's not showing on all of them, but if we look at this right here, this is going to be a trending sound. And then if we end up clicking on this, it's going to show us how many shorts were made to it. It's going to give us a preview, and you're going to be able to see all the different trends that are going on. And what do you need to make sure that you do? You need to make sure that you start using trending sounds within your posts. And there are 2 different ways that you can find trending sounds. You could just do searches like this, come across them like we have right here, come under here and see if this content is relevant to what you're going to be creating. Otherwise, what you could do is go ahead and do a search for whatever you're going to be posting about and try to find a trending sound that almost every other single creator has used for that exact topic or for that exact format. Because if you start using these trending sounds within your posts, what's going to happen is YouTube is going to push your content out even further, because similar to how YouTube uses hashtags, these trending sounds are one of the biggest opportunities that you could possibly take advantage of on YouTube Shorts right now, because these really just started to come out, and this is probably the first time that you're hearing about this in a video. Which brings me to hashtag strategy number 2 that you need to make sure that you're implementing, and that is going to be just one related hashtag. Now, before we get into the last and most important hashtag strategy, I did have a few other secrets I wanted to share with you around tags, around descriptions, because there's a lot of misinformation out there on YouTube that'll tell you they're completely useless, or they'll tell you that they're way too important, and I'm here to tell you that it's neither of those 2 things. But it will actually help you so long as you use them with your title, with your description, with your transcript, and with several other things, because YouTube is actually going to look at all these things when they try to determine who they should be showing your content to. Let me explain. So essentially, here's what's going to happen. When you upload something to YouTube, YouTube is going to look at several different placements in order to determine whether or not there's actually an audience for that piece of content. For example, if we look at this video right here, how to make $100,000 a month from TikTok shop affiliates promoting your products. What does this do? If we look at the title of this, we see TikTok affiliates. If we come down into the description here, we're going to see the same thing. In fact, you see it right there, and then you see it again right there. On top of that, if we then come into the transcript of this video, what are we going to see? We're going to see this show up very, very early. So I'm going to click show transcript right here. And again, TikTok affiliate almost immediately. And then if we come up to the tags right here, guess what we see? TikTok affiliate, affiliates on TikTok. And essentially what's happening here is YouTube is looking at the title of this video, looking at the description of this video, looking at the tags of this video, but then also looking at the transcript of this video. And from this, YouTube is going to try to determine what the actual video is about. And this is especially important if you're on a brand new YouTube account or if you are trying to change niches. And essentially what YouTube is going to do is it's going to look at all these different things and determine whether or not there's actually an audience for the piece of content that's being created. But that's not the only thing YouTube is doing. And if you want to make getting your descriptions, getting your tags, getting your titles, incredibly easy. Well, you need to go to the pinned comment below, register for 30 days access to vidIQ because it's just $1 right now. Let me show you how powerful this is. So let's say that I wanted to create a video on the same topic as this. So what I would do is I would go in and actually try to create a video on this topic. So what you can do, and again, this only works with vidIQ, is you come over here to your title. You can type in a title that you want to type in, and then vidIQ is going to give you a bunch of different suggestions. And if you come into here, you could filter for different target keywords, different emotions, what your video is about, and then their AI generator is going to make you a really, really good title. But it doesn't stop there. You come down to your description, guess what you could do here? Add in those same keywords, click generate, and boom, they're going to create a really good description. In addition to that, it's going to give you a bunch of recommended keywords for your description based on your tags. And if we come down to tags right here, you're going to be able to do the same thing. In fact, vidIQ is going to show you where each one of these tags rank. And if you come down here, it's going to give you other recommended tags. Now, of course, what you want to make sure that you're doing is doing all of these things correctly, because it's going to make the YouTube algorithm really easily say, hey, this is who I should actually be showing this content to. And then what's going to happen is those people are going to enjoy that content so long that your video is better than other videos that are created on YouTube. And this is going to help increase your reach. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below. Get vidIQ. It's just $1 for the next 30 days. It's going to make your life 100 times easier. If you are struggling to get views on YouTube right now, you need to use this. It's an absolute no-brainer. It is going to fix most of your problems because it's going to make sure that YouTube knows that they have an audience for the piece of content you're uploading. Then it just comes down to creating the right video and using this last hashtag strategy. Now, that last hashtag strategy is making sure that you're using one related hashtag and hashtag shorts. So as I went through, there are 3 different strategies. And what you want to make sure that you're doing is testing out each one of these strategies. And even sometimes I would recommend using no hashtags on YouTube. So here's what you want to do. If you're going to upload 4 times on YouTube this week, or maybe you upload 8 times, if you're going to upload 4 times, use one of those hashtag strategies for each one. And then at the end of the week, see which one did best. And then I would use that one 50% of the time next week. But you want to make sure that you are still continuing to test other hashtag strategies because this changes all the time. And again, for that, you need the right title, you need the right description, you need the right tags. You also need to make sure that you're creating a good video and you're starting to use trending sounds, because if you're not doing all of those things correctly as a collection, well, that's why you're not getting the views that you want on YouTube, because it's not as simple as just using the right tag or using the right hashtag. You need to be doing all of those things correctly. And if you seriously want to grow on YouTube the same way that I helped this creator gain over 160,000 subscribers, well, please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are 2 things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. Because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers in the next 30 days, I will give you your money back 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those 2 things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.